Last week I thought it'd be a good idea to take off some of the performance parts with the blue BRZ, sell them, get some money and get some parts with the white BRZ, and make it go real fast. Let's face it, it's a bit boring driving a stock BRZ. So today we're going to remodify the blue BRZ and put the headers back on. The Pro Speed Racing Unequal Length catless headers. Coming out is completely loose. And the problem with that last time was that the upper pipe doesn't fit out. Last time I did the engine mount and jacked the side of the engine up. So the weight of the motor is on this bolt, so it's not going to go anywhere when I take this off. And now there should be nothing stopping the engine being able to jack up on this side. Let's give it a whirl. Okay, got a bit of wood. It's maybe 300mm long. And we're out. Motor pipe's out. We'll jack it back up. I've got Tactrix open port 2. Use it to flash the open flash tablet images onto the ECU to deal with the unequal length headers. I've also reprogrammed the tune to ignore the difference between the two O2 sensors, which the car uses to check whether the catalytic converter in the headers is working properly. Since we don't have one anymore, then we need to not check because we're going to get the check engine light eventually. MAF sensor low, no, that's not it. Cat efficiency, I'm looking for. Cat efficiency below threshold, P0420. So it's set to disable. Start with your ignition off, turn your ignition to the on position, then press OK button to continue. So we're going to turn the ignition on, turn the lights off, so it's just ignition. We're going to turn this garbage off. So pretty much everything's off, air conditioner off. So it's just sitting with the ignition on, click OK. It's now erasing the tune that's on the ECU. And hopefully going to write the new one on 2%, 3%, 4%. Hopefully we don't brick it. Operation completed successfully. If you're done with your ECU, turn your ignition off. Okay, so we should be able to go for a spin and see how that went. First time you take it for a drive after you load the tune on. I think the ECU is calibrating the accelerator position, all that sort of thing. So a little bit boggy when you first go for a drive, but then you turn it off, turn it back on again, and you should be good to go. So let's go. All right, let's see if we've stuffed it up completely or whether it runs. So the idle's really low at the moment. It kind of feels like I've got 3/4 of throttle, even when I put it right down. Yeah, it's gutless at the moment. I'm not sure exactly what you're supposed to be doing during this time, whether you're supposed to be doing some partial throttle, some easy throttle up like that. Go around the bend here, turn it off, let it think about what it's done for a second, and then we'll get going and hopefully got full throttle again. Spot up here to stop. Alright, let's try. Idle's more normal already. Oh, that's better. Way better. Needs more power. So much better. So that was just Speed Racing Unequal Length, catless headers, and an off-the-shelf tune. I mean, it's still not a turbo, but it's a lot better than it was. So I've got the power that I had before with the catback and everything, but I haven't got the sound, obviously. So catback, put that back on maybe next week. So I got a little bit excited and I put on the catback. So sorry I didn't do an install video, but now we got Speed Racing Unequal Length
catless headers and overpipe, stock front pipe, and parent 2.5-inch resonated catback, and a off-the-shelf tune. That's it. Pretty good.